Hey everyone, Jeff Teague in Raleigh, North Carolina, your complete car buying resource. It is hot. It is so steaming hot here in North Carolina, 98 degrees, but it's hot everywhere. So I'm gonna give you some tips on how to keep your car cooler in the summertime, including talking about the air recirculation button that not a lot of us know how to use. Let's check it out. Now, here's our first lesson. This is a take-home message. My mom herself suggested from Michigan that I do a video for the world about the air conditioning recirculation button. And when your mom tells you to do a video for the world, you're gonna do it. Today's guinea pig is gonna be the all-new 2020 Toyota Corolla, although I could have chosen the CHR. That is an awesome looking vehicle here. But anyway, this video can apply to a Ford, a Chevrolet, a Buick, a Hyundai, a Honda, Nissan, anything. All right, so when you get in your car, you're gonna have a few air conditioning choices as we get into our car here. First of all, you can have air conditioning on, you can have air conditioning off. It's on, it's off, it's on, it's off. Now, this is pulling in fresh air, warm, hot, stifling, humid air, or recirculating air. What this does, it cools the car down to the coolest potential, so it's as cold as it can get, and then it constantly recirculates that cold air. So your air conditioning system is working less. Maybe that'll mean it lasts longer, but more importantly, you're gonna get the coldest air possible and give yourself a fighting chance in this humidity. In addition, I've got some other tips for staying cool. For the first half a block to a block, just roll the windows down a little bit. That way it'll pull in some fresh air that might be a little bit cooler than that stifling heat that's in there right now. Just for a block, half a block. That way you'll give your air conditioning system a head start to coolness. Another tip, if you have a moonroof or a sunroof, keep the shade closed while you're at work or in the house or anything like that. Otherwise, it's going to pull in that hot heat. This gives it a little bit of a breather, so it's a little bit cooler on the inside. Everything we can get, baby, everything we can get. The other advice I can give you is, for gosh sake, use Mother Nature. There's a tree, park under it. Park under an overhang, a tree, a bush, anything that provides shade. It'll keep the car a lot cooler while you're at work. Walk on out, even if it's a little bit further away, you're gonna walk into some coolness. It'll feel like an ice bath compared to this. It's miserable out here. By the way, if you want the best value on the planet here, look at this Corolla hatchback. It comes with alloy wheels, loaded with safety feature. It's super fun to drive, great suspension on it, nice smooth acceleration for $23,000 or less. Corolla hatchback, woo, good choice. The other advice I can give you is invest in a sunshade for your front windshield. And by all means, make it fun, make it cool. It's gotta be an attention getter, like my friends here in a galaxy far, far away. These aren't the droids you're looking for. Looking for someone? Found someone, I would say. Prepare for the jump to light speed, Chewie. I'm out. Thanks so much for watching my video, everyone. I hope it was helpful and you get a little bit cooler. Like that Bobby Boucher drinking that water and playing that foosball. Please subscribe right now to Toyota Jeff YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at ToyotaJeff1. See you next time. If you're looking for a new car in the North Carolina area, please call me, Jeff Teague, at Fred Anderson Toyota, or shoot me over an email. Subscribe to Toyota Jeff YouTube channel now. Thanks, everyone.